いらっしゃいませいらっしゃいませ。はい、すみません。はい、お客様。31センチ靴欲しいんですが、31靴、そのサイズ、ありますか？ 31 センチの靴ですね。はい、少々お待ちください。はい。すみません、学様。申し訳ございません。はい。31の靴がありませんので、違う店舗に31靴があると思います。そちら店舗へ行っていただきますか？はい。はい。わかりました。すみません。すみません。ありがとうございました。はい。Yo, my general. Yo, chief, what you need? We don't have no size 13 shoes. What? Yo, if you don't see it on the shelf, brother, you know there. We don't have none. Well, I'm looking at those seats, so probably have it round in the back in a storeroom. Brother, me say. No, none of the round in the storeroom, brother. Where you go with them big old 2 loaf of bread there? You sure it on the size 13, my general? Size 13, you think a captain's bread in the brass? We don't serve loaf of bread here, though. But the bakery down the road. Them just up here. What they must tell me? Alright. No worries, sir. Don't say a word, man. I'm so rude. Go on, you know, go on there, man, so see? Oh, it's a serious man. It's a good joke. Look like a fire they come from. In the news this week, Nissan Motors Company President and CEO Hiroto Saikawa admitted on Thursday that he was overpaid in an equity-linked remuneration program run by the company. This program was actually initiated by the embattled former chairman Carlos Ghosn. For those who don't remember, Carlos Ghosn was arrested last November and is facing trial for underreporting his remuneration as well as diverting company funds to a different company which he effectively owns. Carlos Ghosn has always maintained his innocence and saying he is actually the victim of a conspiracy. Insiders say that persons in the company were afraid of a potential merger with Renault Co. and that would take away some of the autonomy of the Nissan Motors company. Junichiro Hironaka, the former chairman's defense lawyer, indicated that he felt the officials from Nissan already knew of this payment scheme but overlooked other executives and only went after his client Carlos Ghosn. Well, and you can file this as case number 9999 of foreigners having trouble in Japan just because they're foreigners. Pretty much. We here at PDG TV will be following this story closely and providing updates as they become available. On September 6th, the accident occurred at about 11:40 a.m. on the Keikyu line between the Kanagawa Shinmachi station and the Nakakido station. The truck was carrying citrus fruit from Yokohama to Narita. The express train was traveling at about 120 kilometers per hour before applying an emergency brake prior to hitting the truck. Subsequent to that collision, truck and train traveled about 60 to 70 meters, with the first 3 cars of the express train derailing, which carried about 500 passengers. Wow. My condolences to the family of the truck driver that died, as well as I wish a speedy recovery to the persons who were injured in that accident. Usually in Japan, if a train line is affected by a human accident, which is like suicide, the company usually charges the family of the deceased. They have to pay compensation to the company for all the business lost and for the inconveniences caused on that day. The line was actually shut down for most of the day until Thursday afternoon, which resulted in several delays and chaos in the Yokohama area. The Keikyu line serves Yokohama and the Kawasaki areas in the Kanagawa prefecture. And that's it for the news this week. See you. Oni-san! 最初グー、ジャンケンぽい! guys, follow her. I know if you watch me, you probably watch her already. So I mean, if not, then you have to subscribe to her channel. Make because she's a sweet pea. Most of the time, which she's accurate. No lies, no lies, no lies.
Hi.
Yeah, it's really bad.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know. I'm gonna try to drink this on the side over here.
Actually drink it?
No, I am. I drink some of it.
The Kubi rock. This gesture is one of the most important gestures in the Japanese society. It's mostly used by salarymen, sales clerk, and clerical staff. It can be used in a myriad of situations, but is primarily used as a way to excuse yourself from a drinking party in the izakaya, or to show your deepest regret to a customer for making a mistake. As you can see, your neck must extend as far as physically possible and then retract to your shoulders like a turtle. This move will endear you to the natives in Japan and take you a step closer to becoming a more Japanese person.
What?
Alright guys, welcome to the Storytime edition, where I will share my stories, of course, and sometimes maybe stories of other persons. Now this is the time, this story goes back to when I was still in Toyota City in Aichi Prefecture. This girl had her person, and you know, I went to Osaka one summer for Golden Week, and she came through to Osaka as well, and we actually linked up in the club because there was a Jamaican song playing at the time. She danced with a couple of people. She danced with a friend of mine who knew the situation between us, but he was a bit still, you know, the whole situation was a bit weird for him to be doing to somebody that I liked, and he knew that I liked. Anyways, that is the point. I tell you that because apparently there was another guy there that came with her and another girl, and he was obsessed with her. He was her stalker. She didn't let me know that. Fast forward a couple weeks later, we're back in my city, eating dinner and whatever. She gets a text message. Boom. She says, "Oh, Andre, you know, this guy he's stalker." I'm like, stalker? What? What do you mean by stalker? I mean, why would you, like, I've never had a stalker, and it's hard to believe, you know. Anyway, what I'm saying is, this is a big deal, you know. I live in Toyota. People know me. Many people know me. I don't want my job to be in jeopardy because of, you know, the whole thing that we're doing. So, what's this? She's like, whatever, it won't be a problem. I'm like, huh? I'm like, this homie might be sneaking out in the bushes, in my bushes, whatever. Apparently, he sent her a picture, you know, of the two of us and says he was going to send it to. Oh my God, guys, I'm so sorry. I guess we don't have enough time for the video. Yeah. So, see you next week, Friday. This is a series that will continue for the foreseeable future, especially if it does well. PDG TV, where I give you all of Piggles. All aspects. Alright? So, every Friday, tune in for this video, this type of video, and the rest of the week, you'll have random uploads. But on Friday, you're guaranteed to get a PDG TV video. Alright, please ensure to subscribe and share, and tell me in the comments down below what you really thought about this type of video, and if you want to see more of it, and what do you want to see in the future. Alright, PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Just finished the first episode of PDG TV. PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikimashou! My word, you got a stalker, my guy. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.